Are you looking for the ultimate security solution for your hotel that combines advanced technology with convenience? Look no further. Let me introduce you to the Smart Hotel Door Locks by Secureye. These are packed with features and designed for your peace of mind. These locks are built for versatility and security. Let's break down what makes them stand out. It works with ID and TEMIC cards, giving you flexibility in access management. You can unlock it with an RFID card or a mechanical key, perfect for emergencies. With a read time of less than 0.1 seconds, it ensures swift access without any delays. Powered by 4 alkaline batteries, it's designed to last long. And don't worry, the low battery indicator will alert you when it's time for a change. You'll still have over 50 lock openings after the alert. So what are you waiting for? Get Secureye's Smart Hotel Door Locks now. Secureye, एक नज़र रखे सबकी खबर.